Today, I will show you how to make your child's journey safe. Here's the XPAND child safety seat. XPAND can be mounted comfortably and securely thanks to the ISOFIX system. To extend the connectors, simply rotate them. The set includes covers that will make it easier to mount. They should be placed here. Now insert the ISOFIX connectors until both tags are green and you hear a click. We need to check that the seat is stable. XPAND adapts to the car's back seat. Adjust the inclination of the backrest by tilting it backwards. The seat is mounted. Now it's time to get the passenger seated. The seat is designed for children between the weight of 15 to 36 kilograms. In order to ensure a safe journey, first set the headrest. It has 4 levels of adjustment. Grab the handle at the back of the headrest, select the level and let go. Important: belts should be at the correct height and run freely through the guide. The child is fastened with the seat belt. Run the shoulder belt through the guide at the headrest, the hip belt through the guide at the armrest, and fasten. Both should be tight and untwisted. Remember that the shoulder belt must not pass over the neck or slide off the shoulders, and the hip belt must not compress the abdomen. It should sit flat over the thighs. The seat can also be mounted in cars without an ISOFIX connection, using only 3-point seat belts. The cover of the seat can be removed and washed. Upholstery elements should be removed from the back of the headrest and backrest. Slide the material off the headrest, then off the side covers and backrest. Tilt the backrest backwards to disconnect the 2 parts of the seat. Then pull the waist belt guides, pulling them towards each other, and slide the cover off the seat and armrests. All upholstery elements can be washed in the washing machine. After washing, put on the cover. First, we slide the material onto the seat and armrests. Then connect the seat with the backrest of the car seat and apply the guides. Now put the upholstery on the headrest. Finally, pull the cover over the backrest and the side covers of the seat. We fasten all the snap fasteners and elastics. All done. We can go on a journey safely.